Hello friends, in this video let us see the unboxing of Godrej Eon 290 liters refrigerator. So this is a silky purple model. The floral design is purple in color. It is a 2-star model. I have already reviewed a similar product a year back, and that was 2018 model, and this one is 2020 model. So the same fridge which was 3-star earlier, now it is 2-star. The energy consumption still remained the same, 261 units, and the model number, you can see that it is RT Eon 290 PC 3.4. It is a frost free model, so ice will not get deposited in the freezer. This is a completely covered model, and there is no exposed condenser units outside. So this is the handle. Handle is quite long. There is a groove over here. This is the freezer unit, exactly similar to that of the old model. There is no much difference. The only difference here is this unit, they have replaced this particular unit, and they have also given a separate plate now, so that you can remove it and you can use the larger space. So it is a movable ice maker as mentioned here. So it comes with a tray, and the ice cubes maker is relatively small. So I think Godrej has decided to reduce the size of the ice cubes. Both the types are twist model, so it comes with a spring action, and so that's the in fact I like this particular feature where you can just take it out. There is also a holder at the top, so with which you can move it away and you can use the entire space. With the previous model it was occupying the entire freezer, but now it is a relatively small model, so that is one feature that is included. Okay, and apart from that, there is a control for freezer separately, minimum, maximum, and the best. Okay. As I told you that it's a frost free model, it does not accumulate any type of ice over here. And here we have the control for different seasons: monsoon, winter, summer, and spring. Depending upon the climatic conditions, you can adjust it. And here you will see the serial number as well as the Godrej logo over here. And here we have the lock, child lock, and it comes with a key like this. So this lock can lock only the lower door and not the upper door. And if you look at this here, see here, you will not find any sort of place to accommodate the lock. So it is completely plain. And even here, you'll be able to see that the lock can, it can come only till this particular place. So this particular element is used for locking it. So this one can lock only the lower door and not the upper door. And generally, these types of fridges which comes with double doors, are mainly used for preventing childs from opening the doors. And obviously, a child cannot open the top freezer. So that is the reason why they have given only for the lower door. And opening the fridge. So here we have an egg tray that came along with the fridge. It can hold up to 8 eggs, and there are 1, 2, and 3 large trays, and there is also 2 smaller trays over here. And this particular space is left intentionally higher just to accommodate bigger size bottles. And here the lighting is completely LED, and we have 4 plates. So out of this, the top plate is for milk packets, and then we have 3 more plates for accommodating vessels. And we also have one quick access box with a toughened glass. You can also use this particular plate for placing vessels. It is also a toughened one. All these glasses are toughened glasses, and they can hold up to 120 kilo maximum. And it also comes with the vegetable so it is pasted. It also comes with vegetable access box, and it comes with a door. You're able to hear that the door alarm has just gone on. It indicates that the fridge is open for quite some time. Let us turn it off. Okay. And yeah, so this is the quick access box. So with this, you need not remove the complete unit outside. You can have it like this, and still you will have the access to the vegetable box. And the vegetable box is really big. You can can store vegetables for up to 2 weeks. And this vegetable box also comes with a slide where you can either allow or stop cooling from getting inside. And these toughened glasses, they comes with this types of tray. So with this, we can store some small items directly in the tray, and there is also a groove to accommodate the plate. So that is something which is new for this particular series. And again, these things are removable. If you don't like it, you can always remove it. And previously the model was like we had in the last model we had plastic cladding at the end. In this model, that is missing, and it was said that it is for easy cleaning purpose. Okay, and also coming to the arrangements, shelf arrangements, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, totally six arrangements can be done. And it also comes with this aroma lock. So this aroma lock, it is recommended to replace it every year. So if you open it, you will find a strip of carbon material which would suck the bad smell. That's it, nothing special. The one thing which I want to mention here is, so this one, it fits exactly into that groove. Okay, and if you're trying to place it like this, there is high chance that it could not fit properly. So while placing it, you have to make sure that the plate is aligned well with the groove that is available, and then you have to press it. So that is one thing which I found very difficult with this particular model. Apart from this one, no complaints, everything is fine. We have the quick access tray with which you can take the vegetables easily, and also if you want, you can take it out. So the box is relatively very big. And, so no more complaints other than that. So only complaint is that with this additional tray, it is really hard to find a place to place it properly. As you can see that the panel itself is designed in such a way that it can accommodate only in one position. So rather than rather than going for such a design, if they have gone for a plain design where it can accommodate at whatever position, like even this or like even this, it would be fine. But now we are left only with one option, and also while placing it, you have to make sure that it fits properly before pushing it. So that's it. That's a quick unboxing and review of Godrej Eon 290 liters fridge. And though they say that it's a 290 liter fridge, still it is claimed to be 306 liters. So as mentioned here, it can consume up to 261 units, and it's a 2-star rated fridge. And if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.